Got one of these?
Yeah, you can.
Simba.
We just installed these again. Hi.
Simba.
Oh, she stopped playing with it. What's this? You gonna get it? There we go. That's a girl. You gotta turn it and get in the hole. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. You gonna get it right there. Rio's just learning. But these guys are a hold hand. Can you get it? It's like, hell no, I'm on video. Star of the show. Gonna get it? What's in there? What's in there? He's gonna stop. Everybody's gonna stop. And then there's Miss.
Rio just likes them.
No, I've just started to eat.
Oh, she's just starting to eat. You gonna get in there too? Oh, there he goes. I think he's having more fun just turning it. He is too.
Who's that? Is that Mom?
Oh, you're gonna come up and say hello. Hi, gorgeous. I swear by these things. They're awesome. Foraging tools. I can show you them. Show you it right here. I don't know where it went. Here it is. Give it here. If you guys want. Here we go. Foraging wheel.
It's survivally parrot proof. Caleb, Mom?
Yeah, if my cockatoo can't get through it.
Mom? Can we go down to the park?
Yeah, you guys want to go to the park, go for it.
Ow!
Taylor, you have to do the garbage first.
It smells like rotting fruit.
What smells like rotting fruit? Well, they're dried fruit. I get them for the birds. They love them. Yeah, we just had breakfast.
Yeah, dried fruit.
Good stuff.
Mom,
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
have you ever had a dried tomato?
I've had dried potatoes. Hi.
Oh, they're so
Hi, baby girl. Are you going to eat the camera? Can you say hello to the camera? I can't focus that close.
tomato chips.
Say bye. Say bye. Can you say hello? Hi. This is my shy girl. She doesn't really like to say much. Oh, Fluff. Oh, Fluff. Yeah, you're going to say bye. Don't bite. Good job. You got your water dirty. Say bye-bye.